Our first speaker is the President and CEO of LS9, Ed Deneen, who will provide us an overview of the LS9 and Florida facility. Ed Deneen is the Chief Executive Officer of LS9 and a member of the LS9 Board of Directors. Most recently, he was the Chief Operating Officer of LyondellBasell Industries, one of the world's largest polymers, petrochemical, and fuel companies. During Ed's 32 years at LyondellBasell and its predecessor companies, Ed was directly involved in growing many fuels and chemical businesses into global market leading positions. Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to present LS9's President and CEO, Ed Deneen.
Well, thank you, Greg, and thank all of you for coming today. As I begin, if I could ask any employee, any contractor who worked on this project, could you please stand? Would you join me in giving them a round of applause? Obviously, some great work has been done here, and there's more great work to come. This is a key step in the evolution of this company, which up to this point has been largely a research company, and this is putting us into an operating company mode. And the next step from here is true commercialization. And we see that being 1 to 2 years out. So this is an exciting time for us. This facility is going to be a key step in the development of virtually all the products that we can see coming down the pipeline. This company was formed only 5 to 6 years ago, and it was formed on the basis of trying to use the power of modern synthetic biology to produce cost-effective, sustainable chemicals and fuels. Basically, we're using biological processes to practice chemistry. This facility may look complex and large to you, but I can assure you, in a traditional chemical setting or refining setting, it would be 5 times the size to produce the same amount of material. So we think we can bring solutions to effectively supplant and replace petroleum-based and coal-based materials in a sustainable manner. We're headquartered in South San Francisco. That is largely a research facility with some small units going up to about 1,000 liter size. And obviously here you've seen 135,000 liter in size. We have an office in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and we'll be opening up a technical center down there as well in the second half of this year. And now with the Florida site, we have our 4th location, and as I said, the demonstration facility. We see this facility, the vision for it is to demonstrate the many products that we have in the LS9 pipeline. One of the things that I believe really distinguishes this company amongst our competition is the capability to make a wide array of products all through that biological process in virtually one step inside the organism. That gives us a very strong platform, a portfolio of products that we think will certainly do well for the company and our investors. One of the unique things about the process, normally in a chemical setting, if you want to make a chemical, you have a reactor, you have a process designed to do that. If you want to make a second chemical, it's a totally different process. In our case, all of these products can be made in these fermenters that you see here. So it's a very unique capability. So the primary purpose of this facility will be to show that what we've done in a small beaker or a small flask can be done at very large scale. The next step from here is design commercial facilities. So this facility will be the basis for designing our first facility in Brazil, potentially here in the US. Ultimately, we may see full-scale commercial production here at this site as well. We'll also use this facility to test and optimize the processes as we continue to improve the technology, try to make it more efficient. We frequently, as you might expect, get calls for samples from customers, and it's very hard for us to do that in the laboratory setting in South San Francisco. So this facility now gives us capability to supply people like Chevron and Dow and Procter & Gamble the samples that they're asking for from us. Finally, another attribute of our technology is the capability to use a wide array of feedstocks. And we will use this facility to further demonstrate and show that capability. So in essence, we believe we're bringing something truly revolutionary to the world. It's a platform technology that can produce many chemicals, many fuels. We think we can do that cost effectively in a simple one-step process in a sustainable and renewable fashion. We're here at this site because we were attracted by what was here in terms of equipment, but also the agricultural resources in Florida. But beyond that, we've certainly enjoyed the support and guidance from Enterprise Florida. We received $4.5 million from the Florida Opportunity Fund that covered the large majority of the cost. This was done very cost efficiently, and those funds have now been translated into an equity ownership in LS9, so we're very proud to have the fund as an equity and shareholder. And then finally, the Okeechobee community, I think, has gone above and beyond to welcome us here. We will restore that faith and hopefully make this a shining star in the growing advanced bioproducts community. Thank you very much.